Oh, there you are. Today I want to give a little bit of info about my cheap top box that I just made. What I did was I took off this back plate or plastic piece. I took out all these bolts. There's 8 of them. I'm only using these 2 and these 2, so 4 bolts all together to hold that case on. I got this case from Harbor Freight. It's $35, but of course, you know, you're at Harbor Freight, you have to use a discount. Got this box. It's watertight. It's nice. It's got foam. I drilled 4 holes in the top so I can tie stuff to the bike. Got those tie down points, and everything is silicone, nice and watertight. What have we here? We've got a 12 volt cigarette style outlet, some cat hair, and a battery tender phone charger with 2 USB ports on it, which is pretty sweet. This thing also shows the voltage. How I wired that in was, my bike has a battery tender on it, so I can, you know, charge it when I'm not using it and just keep the battery topped off. So on my fancy little box, I've got a battery port. Well, gosh, mosquito, get out here. Plug her in. Once she's all plugged in, it sends power to the box. And what's neat about this little thing is you turn it on and it shows you the bike's voltage. So 12.6 volts. Got my 4 holes. So stock bolt, bolts I bought. I've got this assortment of washers. Just mosquitoes. Gracious. Oh. Oh. You like biting me now, you bastards. And I got my secret weapon, dryer sheet. Here it is, all bolted down. You know, very solid. Just a cheap little box. These are just screwed through the mounts that they came with and the screws that they came with. Yeah, I put some silicone on the back. God, die, mosquito. Just to seal up any more, and then so these pointy parts don't poke anything. And then this is, you know, silicone on both sides. So make an extra watertight barrier. So these just go through the original nut bolt holes, and then I put a Teflon nut on the back too, just so, oops, didn't know I could come off. Just so that when I'm beating this thing up down on the trail, it doesn't come loose and I don't lose my valuables. I've got the foam piece back in the bottom. She's all bolted down, ready for adventure. Just got to load it. These foams, they come with this kit. They have little cubes you can tear off. It's kind of neat. And I've got it set so I can put my cheap little laptop right here, and then camera gear and such. And I can shut it and lock it. So that's super nice. It's got the air valve on it, which I don't know what it does. So I guess it lets air out. Dang, I've got so many mosquito bites, it's not even funny. I've also added these Tusk pannier racks, and I'm using some of PJ's panniers that he had because he switched to soft luggage. The reason I've done all these upgrades is because here shortly PJ and I are going to ride the Trans-American Trail. It's 5,000 miles of dirt roads, well, consisting of dirt roads and back roads across the country. Got everything squared away. Time has come for adventure.